So if you remember from the previous video that I did of this horse, this is Wilbur. He was very lazy as far as pushing with his back end. He was very lazy in his shoulders. His shoulders would fall back and forth. And he didn't have much muscle in his back or much muscle in the hip. I think he's building some hip and back muscle. To me, he's looking a little bit more balanced than what he was when he first came. I've been working his shoulders a lot, getting them up, doing a lot of leg yields. You'll see me doing that in just a minute. I'll show you what I'm doing. So I need more push with the back end. He is a little bit lazy. So what I need to do is to pull that push out, as I'm going to give him a reason to go forward. And in the process of this, if you've heard in the last couple videos that I put out, there was a cow hollering in the background. I just bought a new bull calf that I hope he ends up breeding my heifers when he gets old enough and big enough. But he needs to fit in with the rest of the herd. He needs to fit in with the program. He needs to know how to move away from a horse. The black cow here I've had a while. I put him in with the Charolais looking cow. He's part Charolais, part Hereford. I put him in with the cow to give him a buddy, kind of teach him what things was about. And what I need to do is I need him to know to move away from the horse. But I also am going to use both of them to pull the horse forward. So just as soon as we got behind these cows, he started stepping up a little bit. That's going to give me more engagement in the back end to work with without spurring and kicking or whipping or whatever. He's going to have a reason to go forward so that I can build the muscles that I need to be working on. As I'm working, pushing these cows around, I have him in a different bit today. I have him in a snaffle bit. I had him in a leverage bit last time. So I'm not going to have quite the lift in his shoulders that I had in the leverage bit. I did this because I wasn't sure how much I would be pulling on him with these cows. A lot of times this pulls a lot of go. I put the snaffle bit on him so that if I needed to pull a lot on him because of the cows, I wouldn't be in his mouth quite so much. So while we're walking behind these cows and I have the cows pushing him forward, I haven't had to ask him to go forward again. Let's ask him to move his shoulders over. Left rein, left leg. There we go. Right rein, right leg. Nice. It's giving me nice movement. That has come along really nice. Now let's see if we can get a slow trot towards these cows. I want to keep him slow. He's not real confident with the cows. The Charolais really don't know what this is about. So we're going to keep this slow. We're going to build his confidence. He's pinning his ears, making a move. This is nice. I use these same techniques when I'm teaching a horse that's in cow horse training to work a cow, because I want to move the shoulders off left rein, left leg to get their body set up. Come on, let's move. To get their body set up to do the turn on the fence. Left rein, left leg. Go a little further, a little further. Stop. Back a step. Pivot. See how when I start pulling on him, he just pulls back. That's a lot of what's happening when I'm asking him to go when I don't have the cows pulling him along. Cow's getting fast. I'm going to just slow him down a little bit. I don't want too much go. Good job. Let's go again. Now right rein, right leg. Good. Gives me the chance to put his body where it needs to be. Whoa. To build his muscles and to work the cow. Right rein, right leg. Bring the shoulders over. There we go. Right rein, right leg, shoulders over. Right rein, right leg. He's wanting to go to the cow, which is good. I want him to want to go to the cow. We didn't get a very good back there. You saw me doing something similar with that Appaloosa that was really aggressive towards the cows. I had to work her a little bit different because she was more aggressive. I'm actually using these cows. You saw me doing something similar with the Appaloosa. She was real aggressive towards the cows. I was working her a little bit different to try to get the aggression under control. What I'm doing with him, here, left rein, left leg, there, nice. Let's go past the cow. Whoa. Back a step. Right rein, right leg, to the cow. I'm working him just a little bit different to pull out a little bit of aggression. Pull out a little bit forward. Let's do some right rein, right leg, get to the side. Good. Right rein, right leg. Whoa. Oh, as soon as I started my turn, he went forward. Let's back again. This is why I wanted that snaffle bit. When you do this, a lot of times you have to pull on them more than you'd like to, because you don't always have their attention. His attention's on the cow. Let's go again. Left rein, left leg, position. Stop. Back a step. Turn. To the cow. Oh, wanting to run past. We don't want to run past, we want to stay behind. I haven't worked cows much with this horse. The horse really doesn't know anything about rate or track or anything. I need to pull out that forward. He's wanting to track on his own a little bit. It's pretty nice. Let's try it again. Trot up into the cow space to make him move. Horse was worried about touching the cow, so he went off to the side a little bit. It's okay. Go to make the cow move. I want to work down there and swap cows. Left rein, left leg. Good. Shoulder's coming over really nice. Let's stop. He's locked onto the cow. He's not wanting to stop. It's okay that he's not wanting to stop. When I don't have a cow out here, you don't want to go. All I have is stop. Can't teach stop if you don't have go. Now that I got some go, I can work on a stop. You can't teach go if you don't have, you can't teach stop if you don't have go. And you can't teach go if all you have is stop. Now we're going to swap. We're going to get the Charlet this time. Let's trot up in their space. Right rein, right leg. Trot into their space. Right rein, right leg. Get a little bend. There we go. See, as soon as I got the bend, the cow slowed down. That is how a cow is supposed to work. If I'm running the cow down the fence and I leg yield over, give that cow a little bit more space to the side, he should slow down. Let's go past, stop, back, pivot, left rein, left leg, bring the shoulders around. There we go. Trot to the cow. I like how much forward, the cows are pulling out right rein, right leg. Left rein, left leg. There we go. I like how the cows are letting me pull forward out, and I like, stop here. And I like how, even though he has its attention on the cows and it's pulling him forward, he's still listening to my legs to move his shoulders left and right. So this is Wilbur. I'll put a link up top to the first video that I did of him. Until next time, thank you for watching.